Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And my friends, today we talk about CD Projekt Red. Since quite some time that I uploaded a video about this Polish gaming company that I think all of you know too good. So if we have a look at the chart, I mean, that's always the first thing we do in our videos, and then we go to this incredible headline: CD Projekt Red not interested in being acquired. But let's jump back to the chart. So here on TradingView, so today minus 22%. So I would say in the since October, let's put it like this: since October, not a lot has changed. So since the release, more or less, of Phantom Liberty, not a lot has changed. So we remember, Cyberpunk 2077 has been sold 25 million copies. Then there was the release of Phantom Liberty. We had the Netflix series. And obviously now most of the investors, I think, are waiting for some footage of The Witcher 4 and maybe also some more information about a new Cyberpunk game, for example, or another game, a new series. So we all expecting that something is coming, of course. So, but now look at the mere technical point of view. So European gaming stocks obviously are in a bad shape overall, especially the French, some of the smaller Polish, Italian, and the British gaming companies. So I talked about them already several times. So now we are at 111 zloty. So at this Fibonacci retracement, this seems to be or starting to be a little bit more like a nice sideways consolidation. So when I look just from a mere technical point of view, it looks like a sideways consolidation. Does it mean it cannot go lower? Hey guys, honestly, it can go back to the 80 zlotys. So everything is possible. 80, 60 zlotys, I'm not even excluding this, because if, for example, we're not seeing any news, and also at one point Cyberpunk is not going to be sold so good anymore, then we definitely also there are also possibilities that we see other valuations. But of course, it's also the projection into the future, what investors expect from CD Projekt in the future. So if, for example, now a company would come and say, we're interested in buying CD Projekt, or the rumors would be a little bit more substantiated, then of course the stock would jump up. And this is classical rumor news buying, because then people think, so yeah, but if the stock is then at 200 zlotys, then people have the new company might have to pay this price, or the acquiring company is saying, yeah, we're going to pay it for a share we make an offer for 200 zlotys, and then obviously it jumps directly to 190. So we always have the reduction of the fact that the deal might not get through. But all of these rumors now and probably not happening so quickly. So I would say, for me personally, I'm pretty well invested in CD Projekt. So if I wouldn't be so well invested, probably I would buy a little bit more, because I like actually the sideway here, and since I'm also a person that can look into the future of the gaming companies, and of the gaming market, and I'm very optimistic overall, I think it's not too bad what we see now. All right, guys. So then I would say let's go very quickly also to the numbers, because that's very important. So you see, we already made 3% in the last 4 months. That's like nothing. So we still have a dividend yield, and we have a market cap of 11.60 billion zlotys. So 11-16 billion zlotys. If you look now here, how much is this? So if someone would like to acquire completely CD Projekt, so 11 billion zlotys, so 9 zeros, this would be then 2.7 billion US dollars. So that's maybe interesting. And if we look at the latest financials from 2022, now we have to hope that we get some more information on 2023. But if I look here at 2023, no, it doesn't look so bad actually. So in September, even the net income went up. In June, obviously it was down. In March it was also a little bit. In March it was actually down, but here we see a net income year-on-year change of 1%. So that's always interesting. And if we look at the annual, so of course 2022 Cyberpunk came out, and then revenue slightly still up, let's put it like this. And now finally the net income grows again a bit, and as I said here, from the quarterly September, so since then September it started to get to look a little bit better, but still guys, the chart looks like this. Are there opportunities or not? I don't know, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I just make information and entertainment here on my YouTube channel. So let's go quickly to VGC news. CD Projekt not interested in being acquired. We believe that in a few years we will be even bigger and stronger. So I like this. So the market is not really reacting on this. I mean, the stock is down, but overall market, if you look now at the Nasdaq today, it's almost 1% down. If we look at the the S&P minus 6.5%, so I don't see any European indexes here. But if you look, for example, at Ubisoft today is 1.83% down, so it's a much more down. Or if we look at Embracer, it's also today 2.89% down. So see, charts look all pretty much the same on the European gaming companies. Yeah, Sweden I forgot to mention before, because Sweden becoming less and less important in the gaming industry as it seems so. But those are probably the most common or known companies. Then also in this article, they say, yeah, they have their plan, they have their project, they're following this plan, and I like this. Actually, that's a good approach. And they are also saying that they're not actually interested in acquiring game studios and just implementing them in their income statement. So, and that's really smart. So I like this approach. I think like Embracer, the idea of Embracer to have one company like this Embracer holding that just acquires those companies and has the overarching idea to make everything better for everyone, so more efficiency. Good idea, but it failed, as we know. So now they have to close down a lot of those studios, and I like that CD Projekt is not doing it. So also I'm playing at the moment Cyberpunk 2077 again. I played in VR with the Luke Ross mod, and I have to say, guys, playing this game in VR is incredible nice. So now I see the true value of this game. So therefore I'm starting to just be much more happy again to be invested in CD Projekt, because I'm an investor in CD Projekt. And look at this chart. So I started buying actually in. I was not buying up here. I always thought like, come on, that's a craziness. So, but I started buying here. So at 250 zlotys. If it goes down, then of course you still can lose a lot of money, of course, as we know. But that's how the stock market works. And we even have a dividend here. So I think CD Projekt gets more interesting again. What are you doing? Write it in the commentary section. And please don't do anything that anyone on YouTube talks about. Always do your own research, your own due diligence, because you're losing your own money. So, because hey, probably you bought it here, and then you're selling it now because you think like, why is it trading sideways? And then you lose money, guys. So that's how it goes. All right, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.